Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable your Instagram account. So first, go ahead and open your Instagram and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And right over here, you need to tap on these three lines at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on Settings. Now right here, you need to tap on Help. And here, you need to tap on Help Center. Now here on Help Center, all you need to do is tap on the three lines at the top right. And right over here, tap on Manage Your Account. And then right here on Manage Your Account option, tap this Delete Your Account. Next, you have three options right here. Temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, delete your Instagram account, and access your data on Instagram. So this one, I will tap on temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. You have a methods right here on how to do that. So you just tap this Instagram.com, the color blue words are right here. And then you will find this under the Help Center. So tap this profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then here on your profile page, you need to tap this Edit Profile right here below your profile name. So tap this Edit Profile. And when you scroll down until the bottom, you can see right here, temporarily deactivate my account. So just tap this one. And you need to complete the details right over here, your reason why are deactivate your account, and also you just need to re-enter your password. And then once you're finally done, you can now tap on temporarily deactivate your account. You're about to temporarily deactivate your account, go ahead. So tap on yes if you are sure enough with this. So wait for a few seconds until you finally deactivate or disable your account. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.